You're feeling confident and ready to deliver your presentation. Then, with little notice, you're told that the time allocated for your presentation has been reduced. Time is now ticking away, and the question is, what to do? Here's where one of Infinite Growth's tips can come into use. When preparing a presentation, place the information into 3 groupings. The highest priority is the must-know information. Then the second grouping is the should-know information. And finally, the nice-to-know information. This gives you a structure to reduce your presentation to the most important information for the allotted time. You're ready to go. You're now able to confidently deliver your presentation while showing your knowledge and professionalism in your area of expertise. Congratulations! You've delivered a stellar performance. No one would have guessed your dilemma a short time ago. Visit Infinite Growth's website or contact us for more information on how Infinite Growth can assist you with your next presentation.